Basically, you want to enter a forest, then you want to smack up every invisible creeper you hear. Then you want to do this 24 times to get all the ghost pieces necessary. But sometimes they don't drop because Jack is a fucking monkey! You can also trade other people's ghost charms for 3 ghost pieces after they accidentally dropped it to you.
For your own sake, please don't go for this unless you already have the full work armor roll. If you feel like suffering, I'll explain the patent pending Lamatopia mob killing technique. First, copy 805's dropper farm at his second base, or ask for access. If you want to replicate it, just use Lightmatica to copy the schematic. After you have the farm, you have 2 options. The first is to sit there at your desk manually clicking on pigs for a ridiculously long time, which is objectively not fun at all, but you do you. Second is to download DS4 and bind the button on the Bluetooth controller to left click. Now instead of sitting at your desk, you go to the living room or something, and while you're watching a show, just keep hammering at the bound button until you kill enough pigs. Binding buttons to a controller is not bannable according to Jack, but don't use an autoclicker or you'll get caught in 4K and beamed immediately. For both of these roles, you'll need to kill a lot of dragons. Many players are shit at this, but the most efficient strategy to kill dragons is actually to go back in time before the dragon was born and one-tap it as it's spawning. Dagger of Doom and Strength 3 Beast Boots will easily take care of it, but make sure you have Thorns 3 on all of your armor. This can all be easily done using the conveniently built Lamatopian Dragon Killer 9000 located in the middle of the end island. Wait, hold on, I kinda forgot that I mined out the entire thing. I guess pay for shoes next time if you don't have these rolls.
You could technically grind this out using the Experience 1000 Crystal Pickaxe, but I think I'd rather break every bone in my body and proceed to get my head chopped off by a guillotine. Just go with the tried and true technique of building an Enderman farm, and left clicking for a bit with the Pigman sword. It won't take too long, if you're in BC with others.
This one is pretty straightforward. First, you have to join the Fencermere Logo Calaverius Discord server. You can find the invite not in the description of this video. Fuck you. Next, gain access to the sticker earning list channel and complete 2 of the challenges on there. This will earn you green sticker. After that's done, win an event scheduled in the Fent event server and complete 2 more challenges. You'll be awarded with a blue sticker for all of your efforts. Not simply do a sticker reset and start the whole process over again. This time, after getting a blue sticker, you'll finally get the famous special sticker and achieve greatness with this King of Stickers role. By the way, this role may or may not be impossible to get because Jack hasn't updated Venture in like 2 years, so have fun.
Basically, what you want to do is get good at parkour, complete the slow falling feet dungeon, and claim those sexy slow falling boots. Next, you have to take on the Tower of the Shulker King dungeon. Warning, patience is needed for this dungeon. Trust me. Booper is also nice because you can go Noom! Complete the Tower of the Shulker King dungeon, claim that sexy jetpack after killing the King Shulker, then combine those 2 in the shop with the Eden Trader B2 and get that sexy Jesus piece. Fly over to the end village, talk to my boy, I forgot his name, and trade him the Jesus piece for the Angel Wings enchantment. You might want to get God Charm first, but whatever.
I don't actually think Jack knows about this, but I don't think he really cares at this point. And also it's his fault for making such chronically unenjoyable rolls to get anyway. You need an alt account for this strategy, and try not to get caught while you're AFKing. Someone could move you to your base, and since you're holding left click, you'd destroy all your chests or even your entire base. Sounds improbable? Ask my boy Neil about it. Anyway, your alt needs to be holding down right click, placing a block repeatedly in a structure somewhat like the one on screen. Tab out of your alt account using any modern version of the F11 glitch so it keeps getting held down while not playing Minecraft. Your main account will hold down left click and quickly mine whatever block you're trying to get high stats of. Make sure you have a working water flow system as shown in the video, otherwise your alt will run out of blocks to supply. The example used in the video is potatoes, but as far as I know, this works with any block in the game. Do not do this for the 1 million stone or the 100k cobblestone roll though. Water lava generator is much faster for those.
So to acquire the God Charm Plus, you first want to have a God Charm, which is obtained by doing the Romeo of the Slow Falling Feet dungeon and the Tower of the Shulker King dungeon to get a Jesus piece. You then want to murder a mystical creature in the end village. You can kill them using an insane strategy that we can't show because Jack is yet to fix the spawn rate of them.
You basically want to dedicate your life to killing pigs and transferring all of what they left behind into a shulker box. You want to use the fast trade mod allowed in MMC so you cannot spend 200 years trading and save your life expectancy. With maximum efficiency, you can trim the 200 years all the way down to 170. Have fun!
To get the very fortunate vegan hoe, you start out with just 64 seeds and the vegan salad. The trade is located in the vegan shop at these cords on screen. After that, you want to get an anime luck and the man killer for the vegan hoe fortunate DLC. Apply this and you'll be able to buy the vegan hoe fortunate DLC plus.
Honestly, bro, I just saw this kid. I was like, oh. That's it. I just saw the kid.